because God was with His people. Napakagandang alalahanin o isipin na ito pala ang mangyayari in the future. No? Sister Julie, pangaras kayong babo, ala nang diabetic ka rin. Ala na mag-dialysis ka rin. Ala nang stress ka rin. Ang stress dito lang. Ay, nako. Buti na lang. May mga ganitong mga salita ng Diyos that encourage us to continue to trust God. Sabi nga ni Elder Rodel kanina, yung pangako ng Diyos, Hebrews 13:5, I will never leave you, I will never forsake you, is enough to give us comfort and hope in the future na tutuparin ng Diyos ang kanyang pangako. Di ba? Okay? Okay? In God's new creation, where all cause of sorrow, pain, loss, and distress are permanently removed, replaced by eternal gladness and secure presence with God. It's a promise of ultimate restoration, looking forward to the new Jerusalem, where every longing is met and God's people experience unending joy, fully freed from earthly suffering. This promise is part of a prophecy about God's creating new heavens and a new earth where the trouble of the past are forgotten. Look at what happened sa Israel lang. Ito lang mga nakarang, last year lang. Di ba ilang bansa ang binomba ang Israel? Nagkaroon ng labanan between Israel and Hamas, the Palestinians, between Hezbollah, between the Syrians and the Lebanons, mga Houthis ng Yemen, and even Tehran, nakialam na rin. Di ba? Pero what happened to Israel? Nagapi ba nila? Natalo ba nila? No. Hanggat ang kamay ng Diyos ay nahawak ang Israel, walang makakatalo sa Israel. Yan ang pangako ng Diyos. Kaya ang mga Israelita, alam nila ang pangako ng Diyos na ito, that they will be preserved as people of God. Na itong lahat ng mga pagtitiis nilang ito, paghihirap nilang ito, pang-aapi ng mga kapwa karatig bansa, ay matatapos din pagdating ng araw. Kapalitan ng kagalakan ang lahat ng ito, lahat ng mga pagtitiis ng mga tao. No, all the pains, physical pains, emotional pains, no? Matatapos lahat 'yan. Hindi pa natin naranasan fully because we are still in the flesh, we are still in the world. Kaya naranasan pa rin natin yung mga pain and suffering. But in the future, later on, this will completely cease or be removed.